Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Yes, so this is going to be a weekly reading talking about your career, love, money, business, success, everything overall, because a lot of you messaged me and told me that we want weekly career reading as well. We are not interested in love. So let's make this a combination reading. First I'll start with your love life and then I will move to your career. Your cards are already out. You've got the Neophyte and the Hierophant for your love. I do see especially people who are single are very, very worried about their future. They are thinking they've almost started giving up, like, oh my God, marriage is not on my cards, it's not gonna happen, right? So they are very fearful. I do see a lot of overthinking pattern where also you are very negative and depressed and not able to sleep properly at night. Well, there is a good news for you, Scorpio. Marriage is on the cards, right? It is going to happen. Yes, I know it has been delayed for a very long time, but no more, because I do see your personal life moving forward in some sort, which means either you are traditionally doing some ceremony, actually getting married in the last week of March, or you're doing some sort of function like a roka engagement or finalizing a boy or a girl or meeting their families as well. So there is some sort of function which is happening for you in the last week of March, which will finalize stuff for you, which will make things more clear for you as where your personal life is headed. If you have been problems in pregnancy, then I do see you pregnancy related functions also where you are sharing good news with a lot of people and doing pujas and prayers as well. And if you have been, for example, in a relationship but the guy was not agreeing or the family was not agreeing or the girl was not agreeing, all these problems also I do see fading away and you now coming together for marriage. So marriage is a big word for you, which is going to happen, or the planning is going to happen in the last week of March. Now, coming to your career, you've got the Two of Spades and the Magician reversed. I do see there are a lot of blockages in your career as well. Now, the last week of March may not be so good for you when we talk about your career, in respect of your career. So, your personal life is sorted in the last week of March, but your career looks a little dicey. I do see that you are being very indecisive, because of which there are a lot of delays also. You are in two minds as to do something or not do something, start a business or not start a business, leave a job or not leave a job. So I do see a lot of confusion around you. I also see a lot of blockages and hurdles. Maybe the promotion is delayed, maybe the client that you got cancelled on you. I do see also very deceitful energy around you where people are not very honest and loyal to you. They are trying to pull you down. If you're planning to make any sort of investment in properties, buying a land or property or flat house, please be very careful, because there is somebody who might just take that money and you never get the returns, right? So you don't want to pay the EMI plus rent as well. That is why you have to be very careful. Read the documents properly. Also, Mercury is in retrograde. This is not really a good time to start something new or to sign contracts as such, right? So my suggestion to you will be either you wait up till April 25 for all the planets who are going retrograde to come back to normal, so that there is normalcy. Otherwise there will be delays, otherwise there will be problems later where you will find that the property was not in a good shape, or the broker was not good, or there are other communication problems, or the place is very negative, any sort of things, right? So whether in your career, your business, or your investment, you have to be very careful. If the delays are happening, endure it, be strong. Your life will get better, because it is happening for almost everyone. It is challenging. We all are dealing with it because of the so many planets going retrograde at one moment. It is a challenging period. Wait it up till April 25 to begin something new. Also, they are saying that you are trying to believe somebody who's like very famous, but they might just lead you astray. So we have a lot of babas and gurus where people blindly trust them. They might not be giving you the right advice. Let me just be honest with you. So you have to be also very careful that just because somebody is famous doesn't mean they are giving you the right advice. And because you're very negative, you're blindly trusting people around you. So you have to be very careful, not blindly trust anyone. And because you're not able to listen to your own intuition right now, you have to first balance your own energy so that you can become strong and you can differentiate differentiate between right and wrong. So how can you balance your energies? By exercising, by eating right, by drinking enough water, and by thinking positively, right? Do and try to do some sort of meditation in whatever you believe in, whichever God you believe in, or if universe you believe in. Try to sit with yourself, light a candle. That's very important. If you're able to do that, you will be able to balance your energies. And once you balance your energies, you will be able to listen to your intuition, and your intuition or your higher wisdom will help you to make decisions better. This way, you will not be a victim of deceit, you will not be a victim of fraud, and you will be able to differentiate between the right and the wrong, and the right and the wrong person as well, the people that you're believing. So be very careful when it comes to your investments, your business, your money, your career. Do not make any random choices at this point of time, and do not blindly trust people. Okay, let's hope that your next week, that means the April, is better, but right now you will have to endure it. Personal life looks sorted, Scorpio, but career is a little challenging. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, as well, as I post all the updates there. If you have any specific questions regarding your life, any area of your life, love, career, health, business, money, you are free to book a reading with me. If you feel blocked, or if you want to manifest something faster, you can book a ritual with me as well. You can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. My charges are very cheap, and very variety of charges available. Prices are like of all the budget. So the minimum is 170 rupees, and the maximum is, in thousands. So it depends on you, your timing, the kind of reading you want, your budget. So choose accordingly, and you will be able to get a reading same day as well. So take care of yourself, Scorpio, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.